Hello, my friends. It's Alane, Freund here. It is Wednesday, August 17th, the birthday of my sister, Kara. Happy birthday, Kara. She's 4 years younger than me. That means she's, 36? No, I'm kidding. I'm proud of my age, man. I earned every doggone year. Anyway, I'm here in France, and I want just to tell you that I'm actually teaching my workshop on Friday. It'll be evening for me and morning in the States, evening in Europe. And I'm kind of excited about it, so I wanted just to mention it a bit for you, tell you a bit about it. I'm going to actually rest the phone on this glass so I don't wobble it quite so much. I just made an HSP travel vlog, one while I was driving and the other while I was walking, and I'm going to have to apologize to the HSPs, like, beware, the camera work is not good. It's very wobbly. So I wanted to talk a little bit about this workshop because I'm calling it Family Activities to Elevate Parenting. You know, it's related to somebody's phone in the restaurant, I think. It's related to this concept of prior and proper preparation that I did a workshop on recently. And I think it's really important that we have an arsenal of activities. And there are a lot of fabulous resources. I just love books that I'll be mentioning that you can get. But you might like this little, hopefully I'll try to keep it to an hour-long workshop of my favorites that I've been teaching to families over the years and using in my own family, and also hearing from people who attend live. So if there's any way you can make it live this week to the Are You Highly Sensitive workshop, Parenting Sensitivity, it would be fabulous to hear from you. What are your favorite activities that you have in your toolbox to help your kids and your teens flow through life beautifully? So a lot of mine are about breathing and movement, but also a lot about intention. And I can't wait to share them with you. If you go on the Eventbrite for the workshop, now if you're a member, you don't need to register. And if you'd like to become a member, you'll get to do it a lot cheaper than if you register. But if you just want to do this one workshop, you can find me on Eventbrite and find Parenting Sensitivity, Family Activities to Elevate Parenting. And I have an exercise on there and also a teaser for an exercise that I'm teaching on Friday. So I'd love to see you. Come on out. And I'm not going to give you one in this video. I'm going to make you go on Eventbrite and check it out. So let's talk about what are your favorite things to do with your kids and your teens that keep things moving in a good way and that are in your toolbox. And listen, here's how it works. Oh, let me just add this. Here's how it works. If you want to teach your children something, learn it well yourself first, right? Master it or mother it or whatever. Learn it well and then teach it and use it in your own life. So your kids think it's something that adults do, not just something that kids do. So how about that? I can't wait to see you Friday. I believe it's 1 p.m. U.S. Eastern. So I'll let you do the math for all the other time zones, and I'll see you there. Thanks.